Masaya ako sa kasama. Happy birthday. Sabi ka sa music ako. Kasi naman ko kayo. Kailangan ko kayo. Happy birthday, Mommy. I wish you good health. Thank you for everything. Long life. Love you so much.
Mami, happy birthday po. Salamat sa lahat. Palagi niyo kami sinasabihan na binamagdasal pa lang para magkaroon kami ng anak. Pero in God's perfect time, ibibigay po ni Lord yun. And more birthdays to celebrate. Thank you po sa lahat and we love you po.
Happy birthday, Lola. Medyo mahaba itong message, pero shortcut ko na lang kasi baka gutom na sila. Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you for teaching us, your apostles, to always pray, trust in God, and keep our faith strong no matter what challenges come our way. Your kindness, patience, and unconditional love inspire us every day. Thank you for always being there for me, Lola. We pray that God continues to bless you with many more birthdays to come, good health, happiness, and a strong body. May your days always be filled with love, peace, and warmth of all the people who love you so much. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for being our guiding light and our shining armor.
Ano daw, Lola? Happy birthday daw. Naiiyak na kasi siya.
Maraming salamat po. I guess okay na po. Ayan. At dahil dyan, sabay-sabay na po natin. Ay, may isa pa. Tapos na po. Kuya, get ready po yung song. Ayan. Sabay-sabay po natin kantahan ng happy birthday song si Mami Silvia. Tapos, ayun na po, i-blow na po nila lahat ng kanta.